हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। खुश आमदीद अंकल स्टॉक में नए टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर हैं अंकल। सवाल मेरा कुछ इस तरह है कि इलेक्शन 2024 हुए और उसके बाद अभी तक गवर्नमेंट जो है वो फॉर्म नहीं हो पा रही है। सूबों के अंदर जो है वो असम्बलियाँ लगी हैं। तो आपका पोस्ट इलेक्शन एनालिसिस क्या है? आगे गवर्नमेंट को किस तरह से देख रहे हैं और क्या प्रोग्रेस जो है वो आपकी नज़र में होगी? जी अंकल।
Okay, Tahir Faruqi, it's always a pleasure to see you around, and I would be glad to give you my humble analysis about the current situation of Pakistan politics and the regime, the new regime after the election. My analysis would be simple. It's an example of failure, like always, because we have made so many holes in the structure of this country. You try to fill one and the other two opens up. You try to fill two, the other five opens up. So it's a serious problem. No structure, no strategy, no moral, no values, no ethics. It's बंदरबाट उर्दू का लफ्ज़ आ गया, फिर मैं दोबारा उर्दू में भी स्विच हो जाऊंगा। माजरत, दोनों ज़बानों में कहना पड़ता है क्योंकि मेरी कोशिश है कि दोनों टाइप के क्राउड, जो लोग इंग्लिश ज़्यादा समझते हैं, पढ़े लिखे हैं, बाकी जो अपनी ज़बान बोलते हैं, ज़रूर उर्दू में भी सुने। बात यह है भाई कि आप कोई चीज़ तो सही करो। Right now, what I was saying, I started my video in English. I would go in English and then I would speak some main points in Urdu. Okay? First of all, the way how the elections had been planned, it took them so long to plan and delay the things because they were trying to eliminate one single party, that's PTI. This is not a democratic process. You should apply as the governmental or the public servant to the public of Pakistan, to the people of Pakistan. PTI deserve a chance. PTI deserve a respect because it's a party. Imran Khan had been the prime minister. He might have committed many mistakes, or the people he did not get, let's say, sincere people with him. It's not all his fault. We cannot condemn people like this. Then what happened in election, it's so clear, the fraud. They, what is the name of that document? 45? What is
Form 45।
Form 45? Then you switch back to 47. I don't know what happened to 46. And you announce the results. And people are complaining and complaining. You are not listening because you are determined to suppress or drop down the whole idea. What is the point? To bring the other people on? Who is supporting this move to change the people, the human souls, the human mind, like symbols on the chessboard? You are not playing chessboard. It's happening in Pakistan and with the conditions of Pakistan and with the politics of Pakistan. And it is the future of Pakistan, what you are trying to build after this election with a new regime. Who is going to make it, how it is going to be distributed, how it is going to be formulated, you have no idea because the beginning is wrong, the foundation is wrong, because you did not do it correct as the evidences are proving the contrary. The reason is we let pass everything and do not react properly. This nation needs to wake up and react and stand up for the cause and for the justice. It's about time. If you continue like this, I don't think so the new government is going to be successful. And when it is going to be formed, when the court is going to decide the things, and when the final decision will come, and how the things will happen after few days, we have no idea. To me, I don't see it clear anymore. I used to see things very clear when there is some sequence in it. Right now, you don't see any sequence. Means parts are missing in the puzzle. The parts are missing in the puzzle. That means hanky-panky. That means malpractice. That means malice. That means fraud. That means crime. So it's a combination of all this, the new election and the new elected members. Okay, you have problem with a party which has been fighting or have insulted or have become violent against the national forces of Pakistan. This could happen. The world is full of revolutions. The French Revolution, the Spanish Revolution, the Korean Revolution, and the Turkish Revolution. And you keep going. You can give many, many examples around the world. The U.S. Revolution,
And Costa Rica.
Costa Rican Revolution. Thank you for thank you for intercepting. Costa Rica, yes, they abolished the military. They abolished the army. There was a great leader, Jose Figueres, who became 3 times the president of Costa Rica, civilian. At that time, you could have become 3 times or as many times. But now it's only 2 terms, like in the United States, in Costa Rica. Talking about Costa Rica. Great country. I have been living in that country for a long time, and I know about their politics. And they eliminated, it's a police state, no more army. Because they believed they are like white elephants. Because they had the same name for their people, so they eliminated the army. Because they were eating up with all their funds and the progress of Costa Rica. This gentleman, Jose Figueres, never liked it. He fought it, had a guerrilla fight, and turned the cards down, threw the army, abolished in 1948 in Costa Rica. They do not have army after 1948 in Costa Rica. That's an example. The same situation I see in Pakistan right now. I don't think so. We are leading towards a bright future. First of all, we are spiritless. We are selfish. We are dishonest. We are liars as a nation. And we have no sympathy, real patriotism, Pakistan. You got to believe it, and you should be ashamed of this behavior as a Pakistani. There should be some love for your motherland, which is Pakistan. Don't do it. It's about time. Stand up, wake up. If you have to sacrifice, you have to bring revolution in Pakistan, you should go for it. Because the body, before it dies, you still have a chance to cure it. This much I can say. I'll speak maybe 2 or 3 more minutes. The new government, all old faces, the Nawaz Sharif, Shahbaz Sharif, Mariam Nawaz, Zardari Saab, Bilawal Bhutto Saab, यार तुम क्या लोग? तुम बिरयानी पे बिकते हो, किन चीज़ों पे बिकते हो यार? तुम्हें खाना चाहिए, तुम्हें एक शलवार कमीज चाहिए, तुम्हारी ये औकात है। तुम अपनी इज्जत खुद क्यों नहीं करते? تو یہ وڈیرے شڈیرے چودھری وودری یہ سائیں وائیں انہوں نے نہیں کرنی تمہاری عزت، اور تمہیں کتوں کی طرح استعمال کرنا ہے. تم کو ڈوب مر جانا چاہیے. تم بھاگتے پھرتے ان کے آگے پیچھے. جو غلیظ انسان ہے، ہوگا سالہ پولیٹیشین، ہوگا سینیٹر، ہوگا زرداری، ہوگا بلاول. کیا مسئلہ ہے تم لوگوں کا؟ ہوگا شہباز شریف. کیوں اتنے تم لوگ بے وفا اور بغیرت قوم کا حصہ ہو؟ کھڑے ہو جاؤ پاکستانیوں، تم نے کھڑا ہونا. فوج آپ سے مخاطب، پاکستان کی حفاظت کی ذمہ داری آپ پر، انٹرنل اینڈ ایکسٹرنل. آپ نے اپنا حصہ ڈالنا ہے. پاکستانی قوم نے آپ سے بہت پیار کیا. آپ میں جب سے کرپشن آیا ہے نا، اس نے آپ کو اس درجے سے نیچے گرا دیا ہے. ہم اپنی فوج سے یہ نہیں چاہیں گے. عاصم صاحب، آپ جنرل عاصم ہیں، کچھ کریں، پارٹیسپیٹ کریں. ٹھیک ہے بھائی، ہمیں اعتراض نہیں ہے. ٹھیک ہے، ملک کا ایک اہم ڈپارٹمنٹ ہے جسے فوج کہتے ہیں. ہو جاؤ بھائی شامل، اس پولیٹیکل موو میں شامل ہو جاؤ، گورنمنٹ بنانے میں شامل ہو جاؤ، مجھے کوئی اعتراض نہیں. لیکن یار، آپ نے سب سے پہلے اپنے ضمیر کو ٹٹولنا ہے. صحیح گورنمنٹ بنائیں، کوشش کریں، اللہ کرے دعا ہے چل جائے. نہیں چل رہی، نہ چلے یار. کم از کم ملک نہیں ٹوٹنا چاہیے. پاکستان ہماری ہوپ ہے، ہماری امید ہے، ہمارا پیار ہے. ٹھیک ہے، تو آپ یہ نہیں کریں گے تو آپ بھی اپنا حصہ ڈالیں، اور یہ زبردستی اور فیصلے مسلط نہیں کریں. آپ کو کوئی اختیار نہیں. Politicians are the best server of a country. Civil government, I favor civil government, not the military. Let me clarify. And stop this nonsense. Martial law or a general sahab and the Falan general sahab. We don't need them. You defend Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. That's your duty. Be respectful and get the respect. All right? So, what I'm trying to say, my last words, few words, Pakistan Zindabad, but the new government should be very, very careful to serve this country. And be honest for once in your life. Serve your country, whosoever take the government. Even if it's a mixture of so many people with different ideologies, with different party system, doesn't matter. Get united. Do something. Make an example for Pakistan. That's all. This is my analysis. It's all 50-50. I would not say the economic government will be very successful. The condition of Pakistan, economically, socially, culturally, morally, is very down, almost down the drain. So stop it. This is about time to react. God bless you. Pakistan Zindabad.